Hey Galaxy Max pals, this is Galaxy Max Toys, and today we're playing with Bunny, Rex, and Ducky with this Play-Doh foam. Let's get started. Look at this bright pink foam. Play-Doh foam. Let's open it up. The lid is bright pink. Have you ever played with this Play-Doh foam before? If you have, tell me in the comments. Which was your favorite color to use? That lid is really hard to get off. Oh, Ducky wants to take a closer look. Oh, Ducky, you're sitting in it. I think he's comfortable. Or Rex wants to see. Oh, Rex doesn't think he likes it. Here comes Bunny. Oh, Bunny wants to have a seat too. Let's take the rest of the foam off the lid. Here's a closer look at it. Ooh. Oh, right on Bunny's face. I think Rex is worried. Oh, what's going on? You need to take this off, he says. Ducky and Bunny, get out of the foam. Let's take it out. Oh no, Rex, you're covered in foam. Let's peel it off him. There you go. Oh, Bunny wants a turn. Let's wrap you up in it. Ducky wants to get a closer look. Hey, it's Ducky's turn now. Let's peel it off him now. Well, that was fun. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!